No, but they should have to follow. But I think you should have come up in the queue, you know. Huh?
Assalamu alaikum. My question for Zakir Bhai is, are non-vegetarian food deficient in
Achha, there is a request from the other speakers. What we will do, what I will do, see, but there's a request from the side, allow one or two people to ask questions to Dr. Zakir. What I would suggest, let the speakers, in the time they're available here, let the other two speakers ask question, then Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Zaveri can leave, then I will give the chance so that I'm not unfair to you also, both people, so that, no, I have told them they wanted to leave, so I have to give them an opportunity to leave. They wanted those two people to ask questions, they can ask Dr. Zakir. Which are the two people, Mr. Zaveri? Mr. Bade and आप दोनों को chance दे देंगे. Then after that, we will carry on. The other two people will be given chance so that I'm not unfair to them. I hope the audience bears with me for another 10. Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Zaveri would like to leave after that. So let those two people ask question. Acha, we'll allow only, no.
No.
He is leaving. Let us ask two questions to him and let him hear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, let us also ask a question.
Okay,
yes, agreed.
let those
Yes,
two
agreed.
people ask question, which Mr. Zaveri has requested. Mr. Bade, who's Mr. Bade? Acha, one Mr. Bade and that
Rule होता है.
will not. Acha, and the other two, they two, acha, we'll allow them to ask two questions to one.
To Dr. Hussain.
Excuse me, Mr. Zaveri. Acha. Okay, now one question for, yes, one question he'll ask, one you'll ask, then I will allow Mr. Zaveri, after you all have finished your two questions, and one minute, after they have finished their two questions, you have finished your two, I'll allow them to leave, then the other two who have missed their chance will be given permission. Beyond that, those who are missing because of these two people will be given a chance. Beyond that, I will not allow. Please, we have to complete the program. Yes, sir.
Namaste and Assalamu alaikum.
Madam, short, brief and to the point.
Dr. Saab.
Sir?
Dr. Saab.
Brief. Kishori, sir?
Yes.
Brief and to
My
the point.
question is this. I went to see the picture, Khane Khuda. There was a session of 3 days. So people, Haji Sahab jo the, they were wearing sandalwoods. And then besides that, not eating any as a non-meat food. No haircut, nothing, complete brahmachari or sannyasi. When the picture was over, I asked them, what is this? Those 3 days, complete renunciation, sannyasi, brahmachari, what reply they gave? He said, खाने खुदा था. मैंने कहा, मुसलमान भाइयों, सारा संसार खाने खुदा नहीं है. वही खाना खुदा है.
भाई
या
साहब,
3 दिन आप रखते हो.
भाई साहब से
Please
क्वेश्चन
answer
जरा,
this question.
भाई साहब हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को और हमारे स्पीकर्स को जानना. Please put forward your question.
सारा संसार खाने खुदा है. Please reply to me that those 3 days they were offering is khane khuda. What about the whole world is khane khuda? Why this killing should not be stopped everywhere, especially in India? This is my question.
So we will not allow that question. Sir, on the request of the chief guest and the speaker, will not allow that answer. Maybe have the...
Mr. Rashmi Bhai Zaveri requested the person to ask a question out of turn. I am willing to answer. I am willing to answer. If chairman says no, then I will. I would love to answer if you allow me. Okay. Anyway, I will control the order. Nothing will go wrong.
Okay, we'll allow him, but a short this thing. What was the question? I didn't hear it.
I heard the question. I am supposed to answer. It's a very good question.
Okay, now quickly and a quick answer, then we'll allow the other gentleman.
It's a very good question.
Yes.
It's a very good question. It will not create